Hey everybody, bwcummins here tonight with just a quick drawing. It's pretty late and it's been a long week getting ready for Christmas. My job gets very busy this time of year, so I just wanted to do a quick drawing because I ordered new white pens. I use the Uniball Signo broad tip, and my ink was running out, so I ordered some new ones, and with it came these Uniball Posca pens. They're thicker, they lay down way more ink, and that just afforded me the opportunity to try them since they came with the set of pens I already knew I wanted. And so I'm doing a quick drawing tonight. It's more designy, a weird Santa Claus, just to test out this Uniball Posca pen. And I really like how it lays down ink. It's very vivid on black paper here. It does soak into the paper, and then when it dries, it's a little less vivid, a little less punch, but still a lot. Again, just wanted to put a bunch of lines on paper and then put color over the top of them to see. These copy Copic markers I use that are alcohol based, they will mix in with the white, and so I kind of wanted to see how much of that they do. It seems like the same ink that's in the Uniball Signa, or whatever they're called, Signo. Similar, the way the color will move that white around is similar. So this is just a quick slam bam thank you ma'am weird Santa Claus drawing to test out this Posca white ink pen. And I did like it a lot. You'll see me using it, and of course that means I'll be ordering a lot of them because this drawing alone probably used half the ink reservoir of one pen. We'll get back to some more detailed drawings or whatever. I don't know what we'll get back to. I kind of decide on that day, but look forward to getting back in the swing of drawing after this week. When I don't have so much work to do. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe and like, hit that bell icon so you can get notifications on my new drawings, which I post, almost every day. And another thing, in the comment section, if you have funny or quirky or weird ideas of something I can draw, suggest them, because an artist can always use a little prompt, a little idea, and I may not draw exactly what you say, but it may inspire something, and I would always appreciate that. You guys have a great day.